Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to set a custom start value for number counter modules in Divi. By adjusting the starting value, you can create dynamic and engaging animations that begin at a number of your choice instead of the default 0. This is a great way to enhance the presentation of statistics or milestones on your site, making your data more relevant and impactful for your audience. Let's get started. If you're looking for an easy way to set a custom starting value in the Divi number counter module, the Divi Booster plugin is a great solution. With this plugin, you'll gain access to an initial value option, which lets you set your counter's starting number without any need for coding. This feature makes it simple to have complete control over the animations of your counters, helping you create a more tailored experience for your Divi site. To add a number counter module to your Divi layout, start by navigating to the section of your page where you'd like the counter to appear. Click the plus button, represented by a small plus icon, to add a new module. From the list of available modules, select the number counter module. This will insert it directly into your page, ready to be customized as needed. Now that you've added the number counter module, it's time to set the initial value. Open the module settings and navigate to the Content tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Initial Value, which is provided by the Divi Booster plugin. Simply enter the starting number you'd like your counter to begin with. For example, if you want the counter animation to start from 100, just type 100 into the field. This feature allows you to customize whether the counter counts up or down, giving you full control over its behavior right from the start. Once you've set your custom initial value, don't forget to save your changes. In the Divi Builder, simply click the Publish button. This ensures that your updates are applied and your customized number counter module is visible to your site visitors. Now that everything is set, visit your page to see the number counter in action. It will begin from the custom value you've chosen, creating a dynamic and engaging effect. Thanks to Divi Booster's initial value feature, you can make your statistics or milestones start from any number, helping you instantly grab your audience's attention. With Divi Booster, setting a custom starting value for your number counter modules in Divi is both quick and straightforward. This feature adds greater impact and flexibility to how you present data on your website, allowing you to create more engaging and dynamic designs with ease.